Okay, guys, so evaluating piecewise functions graphically. Sorry, functions and graphically put together is about to become factionally. So piecewise functions graphically. And you can graph these in your Desmos calculator as well. There's a video posted in today's assignment on how to do that if this seems to be easier for you. So f of 0, that's saying that the x value is 0. So when that x value is 0, what is y? Just like we did algebraically, but now we don't have the equations, we have a picture. For me, I'm more visual and I love this way. So I'm going to go find my x value of 0, which is here, and then I have a dot below, and then I have lines above. Above, we run into an open circle, which we've discussed is like standing in a hole. You can't stand in an indefinite hole. So this hole or open circle notates that this function or this pair of functions does not work when x is 0. So then you would need to use your solid circle, which is just like a line, because a line is a combination or an accumulation of lots of solid circles. So our answer is going to be -6. And this was not a great example, but hopefully you can see a green line. We'll see another one in a minute that shows that you're looking down that x equals 0. So that vertical line of x equals 0. So f of 1 means when the x value is a positive 1. So I'm going to go over to positive 1. Again, this is an open circle, so that's no good. That value does not work. So we're going to go all the way up here, and my output when x is 1 is going to be 6, because that's the y value. And this one's a little easier to see your vertical green line at positive 1 because it says f of 1. All right. So again, f of -5, that means I'm going to go -5. So -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll look for my function, whether it's above or below. And in this case, it is above. And my output or my y value is going to be 8. So from -5, I go up to where the function is located, and then I go find my y value. So it should be positive 8 when you're, again, evaluating from the graph. The vertical line is an instruction where we went up and then over again to positive 8. All right, so this one's kind of wild and wonky, but f of 5. So I'm going to count over to positive 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's an open circle for this function. From 5, there's an open circle from this function. So we're going to go up to positive 2 because that's where we find that closed circle. And that does mean that that positive 5 does exist for that function. One more. All right, another wild one. So f of positive 1. So I'm going to go to the right. There's nothing up here above it. So we're going to go straight down. It is a closed circle, which is the same as a line. Remember, again, we can stand on those. And then over lets me know that the output is going to be -2. Excellent. All right, guys, hopefully that's good enough to get through the other half of your Delta Math assignment today, and just also to intro graphically solving piecewise functions. Have a great day, guys.